Hey guys, it's Calais and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first installment of my monthly notes series. In this series, each month I'll be picking around 3 tasks for me to do just to kind of go out, hold myself accountable, just really have an excuse to do something really fun. And I got this idea from a YouTube channel that I used to watch a lot run by Marzia, and she basically would every month take 3 tasks or 3 things on her to-do list or 3 things she wanted to do and basically just kind of take us along with her, show us what she was up to, and I thoroughly enjoy not only those videos, but the concept itself. And so now that I have my own channel, I would love to do something similar. So with that, let's get into my January notes. The first is to take my dog Jubilee on a very nice walk. Jubilee is one of my 2 dogs. She's a big ball of hair. I love her so much. She's so silly, so sweet, so cuddly, and I just really want to do her a nice thing and take her on a nice outdoor walk where she can relax. So the second thing I want to do is build my own PC. I'm super excited. I finally got all of my parts in to build my PC, and I just kind of want to take you guys along with the ride for, I don't know, my first experience doing anything really tech or PC related. And right that, we'll get into the video. So today's PC build day, which is super exciting. I actually have a friend over who's helping me build it because I've never built a PC before. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm super grateful. But I'm so excited to have my own PC. I love video games. I love watching people play them. I used to mooch off of my friends' PCs in undergrad and play their games. So I'm really excited to have my own place where I can just play whatever I want. A lot of anti-Drew games, but I'm excited to kind of just explore other things. And so since my friend is helping me build this PC, I won't be filming too much of that, but I will show you guys what's going into my PC, just in case you're curious. And also, I just wanted to say, if you are interested in building your own PC, but you don't know where to start, or you're like, I have 0 experience, don't worry, I didn't know anything either. I will recommend, if you don't know where to start, a website called PC Part Picker. And I found it super helpful because I did try doing my own research, but I quickly found it overwhelming because different websites have different recommendations, and then some of them are sponsored, so you don't know if it's actually the best. And so I really found PC Part Picker to help me just get a basis for what my first PC should be, and then I can move on from there once I learn more. And it's also really cool because they have different price points, different uses for it, like say you're going to stream for it, or if you just want, a basic PC. So if you're looking if you're in the market to build your own PC and you don't know where to start, I highly recommend that because that really helped me out. Alright, and so with that, I'll show you guys what's going on my PC. Here's everything all together, which is exciting. And so I'll just kind of show you guys, what parts I got for what. So for the CPU, I have a AMD Ryzen 5 3600. The motherboard is an ASR Rock B550 Phantom Gaming one. And then for the memory is just from Crucial. And then my storage is also from Crucial, which is just a standard SSD. I actually don't have the graphics card here because you have to sell your soul to get a graphics card right now. So my friend's being really kind and letting me borrow theirs. And for the case, it was pretty simple. I just got it off of Amazon. Same with the monitor. I don't need anything too fancy right now, so that's what I got. And then for my power supply, I have the EVGA 65W80 Plus Gold I guess power supply. I don't know much about technology. I'm still learning. Then I have some speakers so I can listen to my games in case I don't want to use my headphones. Just a basic wireless and mouse and keyboard. And then I also got a something that basically allows for Wi-Fi to be used with the computer, which is really cool. So in case I want to travel with it, I don't have to always have it hooked up to the internet via an Ethernet cable. And also this allows me to listen to things with Bluetooth, so I don't have to plug in my headphones. I can just listen to them as is, which is really exciting. Okay, so it's almost midnight, and unfortunately we had some issues building the PC. First, we had to run to Target because I needed a flash drive in order to download Windows onto my computer and then upload it onto my PC. However, my computer is a really old MacBook, so it didn't want to work. So my friend tried their hardest to get it to work, but unfortunately we couldn't. And since it was so late and we'd already been working on this for like 4 or 5 hours, because there was also a little bit of issues getting some of the wires to fit, we decided to postpone it until next week, which is a little bit of a bummer because I really wanted to play the games, but I'm tired, they were tired, and I think it was just better to start another time. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next week with an update and hopefully a finished PC.
2 weeks later.
Hey, so it's been over a week, as you guys can tell. It's really hard to meet safely in a pandemic, so it took us a little longer to get together again. But long story short, my PC's finished, which I'm super excited about. It's running well, it's doing great, so I just kind of wanted to show you guys the setup and basically just the finished product. All right, so here's the finished setup. I have it, the PC itself, kind of just tucked into a little corner there, which is nice. And I got my speakers, a little plant that's kind of dead, and my monitor elevated on a box for now because it's a little short for me. But yeah, it's working well, and I really enjoy it and I'm having fun. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button if you want to see more. I'm going to be posting more regularly, so be sure to subscribe in order to keep up with my videos. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!